All right, so the first thing we always do is call our imports, right? So we want to import our data set. So we're going to first do import, write import pandas, right? That's good. Yeah. Import pandas, press play, no errors, which is good. Now you can call the read CSV function since you imported pandas. So just create a variable called df and then equals pandas dot read CSV underscore, it's underscore CSV.
What's an underscore this?
Underscore is the thing that's next to the zero, but you have to press shift. Press shift and then press, yeah. And then open up your brackets, open brackets. Right. And then, yeah, that, no, not, yeah, no, no, no. The circular brackets, the regular
Oh, the
ones.
parentheses?
Oh, sorry, parentheses. And here, uh, first create two strings. So two quotes, open quote, close quote. Yeah, exactly. And then in between that, just uh, put the location of your data set. So I see that it's in the same place as this analysis file. So you're just going to write the name of your data sets. I think it's Haki underscore users, right? .csv. Right, that's all. So press play. So something happened. No errors, that's good. So just write df now and press play. Yeah. All right, so we can see a few things about your data set. Mainly it has four columns. Uh, by the way, do you mind explaining what this data set is about?
So this is from a show called One Piece. It's an anime, and this data set is basically like showing all the characters, which there's like 129 rows, so you can't really see some of them,
Okay.
but it's just showing like if they have the abilities listed here. So if it's true, it would have a one.
Mhm.
If it's not true, it would have a zero.
All right. And by so an ability is like what? Like a power or something? Or
Yeah, yeah, something like that. So
okay.
like this would be observation, and then observation hockey, Armand hockey, Conquerors hockey, like the name of the data set.
All right, that's cool. That's cool. So yeah, like you said, we can't see all the characters, but let's try to see some of them. So write df. By the way, just scroll down. So, you know, yeah. So write df dot sample and then parentheses and put 10 inside. Yeah, and now run this. So we're going to see 10 random rows. Uh, so these are, 10 random characters if you scroll up a little bit. Do you recognize any of these, by the way?
I recognize Mihawk, I recognize Uti, Karasu, Page One, and Shanks.
Okay, that's cool. Um, so right, we have three columns in this one, and then the character names. Uh, can you just now type, just so we, get to know more about the values, just type df.info. Uh,
Then press play.
and then do open brackets and close brackets, but you don't need to
Like,
put anything inside. Sorry, parentheses. Pa- Parentheses. Yeah. And now just press play. All right. So, all right. So that's good. We see the four columns listed here in the output. Uh, it also gives you the data type. So one of them is an object, which also means it's a string. And then three of them are integers, right? The 64, you can disregard. It's not that important. But it's just saying that it's an integer. So that's good, which means we can do more, we can do sort of a statistical or run basic statistical analysis on those integers. So why don't you write df.describe now, and then parentheses as well. Yeah. And we can run df dot, just press play now. And we can run df.describe because we have three columns that are integers. So it's going to give you outputs for integers and float columns. All right. So what does observation mean, by the way? Is it like the ability to observe?
Yeah, it's one of the ability. These are all like three different abilities.
Mhm.
This is like observation. This is Armand. This is Conquers.
All right. So, there's three different abilities. We can see all of them. So there's 129 different characters, right? So that's why there's the count. For count, it says 129. For
Mhm.
mean, for both of them, it's around uh basically, since it's either 0 or 1, right? Uh when it's for observation, it's saying 0.88, which basically means there's more ones than zeros, right? Because it's more than 50%. Um, for
Mhm.
armament, it's also similar, but then for this conqueror's ability, it's much lower, right? Um, Basically, very few characters have this conqueror's ability.